This is Kosur Service Shwara. Today I'm going to present my project AI code generation and analysis platform, a full stack web application featuring a Monaco powered code editor that intelligently routes tasks to specialized LLMs and integrates traditional static analysis tools for comprehensive code. Let's dive into it, how it works. Now I'm opening the architecture.md. This is the architecture we are following: multi-model routing strategy, prompt engineering, and hybrid code analysis engine. Before showing the UI, I want to briefly touch on the system design. The entire platform is sandboxed using Docker. The front end built with React White and Monaco Editor for a native IDE feel. The backend is decoupled FastAPI, Python server connected to a PostgreSQL database for request persistence. For the AI brain, I implemented a dynamic routing strategy utilizing Groq and Together.ai. This is the Docker compose.yml file. Backend. This is the database PostgreSQL. This is the backend. This is the front end. Now I'm building the program. It's building. The image is exported. Backend is building. Front end is building. DB is healthy. Backend is started. Front end is started. All are started healthy. Now I'm switching to the localhost front end. It is at the port number 5173. Now I'm generating a code for the program sliding print a reverse array. I switch clicking the generate button. It will point to the fast API dash slash generate endpoint. The backend routes to it this blazing fast Groq API utilizing the latest Llama 3.18b model. As you can see, the Monaco editor, it streams the raw production ready code directly into the workspace without any conversational fluff, strictly following the custom IAML system prompts I configured. This is the code it is generated. Now I'm clicking the analyze code button. Now for the most powerful feature, the hybrid analysis pipeline, where when I click the analyze, two things happen concurrently. First, a local process subprocess runs Pylint inside the isolated Docker container for deterministic structural check. And second, it triggers an AI code review intended for the together.ai's reasoning models, or if it fails, it will configure to the Groq Llama 3.370b versatile model. However, API outages or correct limits happen in production. I handle this. I engineered an intelligent failover mechanism. If the Ticoder.aa API throws a 402 or 500 error, my router.py instantly catches the exception and seamlessly reroutes the complex analysis task to Groq's Llama 3.170b instance. The user experiences zero downtime and the system is 99% reliable, and strict JSON analysis results are perfectly mapped to the front end. This is the analysis it gives. Performance wise, the function does not handle the case when the input is not a list or when the list is empty. Security logic. It analyzes the code by three categories. One is performance, one is security, and one is logic. Now switching to the code. I'm going to backend.src services llm router.py. Here is a quick look under the hood at the routing logic. You can see the clean separation of concerns, where the router attempts the primary model and the gracefully degrades the fallback model, ensuring the high availability and system reliability. Now I'm switching back to the UI. Make sure your ID, font size, and browser. Every request is logged to the PostgreSQL table database to maintain a persistent history. This platform demonstrates full stack containerization, strict AI prompt engineering, and resilient design. Thank you for watching my demo. Thank you.